What's up, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. Today, guys, I got something really cool for you guys. You guys won't believe. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Here's a cool little... If you guys don't know what that is my new downpipe for my Mark 7.5 GTI. I am so hyped. I am so excited I can go stage 2 finally. But before that, we also have more parts. I'm also waiting for it to get in. So that will come in for tomorrow, but I'll show you guys tomorrow what that is. And well, yeah, let's get into the installing this downpipe from Integrated Engineering. I am so hyped for this. Let's get into the video. Let's go. I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing right now. Got the little ninja knife out. Got the little kunai. Alright, before I show you guys the do the install, I'm gonna show you guys the exhaust, what it sounds like right now without the downpipe. That's what it sounds like without the downpipe for right now, but yeah, soon that's gonna change. It's gonna probably sound a little bit louder, but I guess we'll just find out. Alright, let's get this install. Alright guys, I switched cameras, so now I've already jacked up the car, so now we gotta get underneath and go underneath there and start taking apart the downpipe. So yeah, we already disconnected the O2 sensor, so we gotta go ahead and take apart the rest of the stuff that we need to take apart before we disassemble the downpipe. So alright. What is up, guys? Now we're back. I do apologize that I didn't do much filming, but I did uninstall the downpipe already. So let me show you what the difference is between the aftermarket downpipe from Integrated and a stock downpipe. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Whoa, don't want to trip over that. So here is the stock downpipe. You can tell from, you can just automatically see the high qualityness from the downpipe already. Just like, you know, the nice welds, oh, they look so nice, and just like how well made this is, and in comparison to the stock downpipe, you can see how much there is less flow here, and compare like the build quality on this flex pipe right here, and just overall, it's already rusting, you can already tell, but other than that, it was kind of difficult to uninstall this stock downpipe. It was hell. Try to uninstall this downpipe. It was really like the most difficult thing I've ever tried to uninstall in my entire life. It really would have possibly most likely helped if I got the if I had an extra set of hands and possibly a lift. But the most part, this is gonna be fun to. When I mean fun, I mean it's probably gonna be it's gonna be really difficult to install back the aftermarket downpipe, but at least it's gonna be a little bit easier now. I have this section I don't have to deal with, because this section from here to there, basically from here to here, it's V-band, so it's pretty gonna be easy to install. Other than that, I just gotta remove this and transfer to this, and then we should be golden. And once we got all that buttoned down and together, we'll do some exhaust clips, because I know you guys want to hear that. I'm also gonna install the stage 2 tune, and also a little sauce that's going to go on the stage 2 tune, so stay tuned. Alright, let's get installing this downpipe. Alright, what's up, guys? It's finally finished. Now it's time to turn on the car so I can show you guys what this sounds like. I'm pretty stoked. Alright, let's get here the first start of the downpipe and the stage 2 tune. Alright, let's hear it.